I guess everything will connect to this. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Everything already there, guys. I just got a few grand in just few minutes.
This video made for entertainment and educational purposes only, so don't repeat anything you see in this video.
Hey guys, what's up everyone? My name is Kyle Maddox and welcome to my new video. Today we are talking about the free Bitcoin, guys. Is it still possible to get it in 2026 or not? So lately I've been spending a lot of time on this topic. I've been talking to a lot of people in the crypto space, entrepreneurs, traders, and the guys who are deep into Bitcoin. In today's video, I want to test something live. I'm going to find out is it getting free Bitcoin in 2026 is actually possible, and if there are any working methods. So someone recently shared one interesting tool with me, and today I want to check it here. As always, I'm not telling anyone to copy what I do, everything I just show for educational and entertainment purpose only. But I do recommend, guys, watching the whole video from start to finish, so you can fully understand the way and what I'm talking about. And as always, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press like, and let's get started, guys. So first of all, guys, I want to show you my personal channel, guys, where I post all my updates and share my lifestyle. There is where I show the guys different tools and we test everything together. So today I have one tool on the review. Let me just find it. Yeah, here. And I'm going to test it right now. So let's start to opening the crypto game. First of all, this is currently the #1 crypto game on Telegram, guys. And today I'm going to test it. So there is also a tool I was recommended, and that's what I want to review today. Here I have some settings, guys, inside, and I'll go through everything step by step. I'm gonna choose the first option here. Yeah, and here, guys, the first initial requirements, and let me just fix it, guys. It's not a big deal for me, not problem at all. So give me a quick moment to handle all of this. All right, so I'm gonna open this app and I'll quickly take care of this. So while I'm doing, guys, you can drop me your comments below. If you have any ideas about free Bitcoin, or if you're already using something that works, please share it in the comments. I'm always hungry for the new information, guys. I read almost every comment and I often ends up testing the things what you guys suggest to me, right? That's literally like that. Okay, it looks like the processing start right now, so I just need to wait a few seconds more to see the update. I guess I can get a notification from the app. Yeah, and as you can see, it's already updated. Looks like I need to go back to the game, and first what I need to do is just close it and reopen it again. I found this the best option, like how you can reload the page inside. So let me just check inside. Yeah, it's already there. That's already there. That's really cool. And let me close it and try to follow the next step. And here, guys, there is a settings. And all I just need to complete the setup process. It's pretty straightforward, and I just need to follow the flow one by one as they appears. Okay, so it's my first one. So yeah, I got another one. So I guess I need just to copy this one and to put it the same place as I did before, like that, and enter. Okay, and the third one, okay, like that. So yeah, the loading started. That looks nice, guys. Wait, something is off. Something is off, guys. So let me just check. Not found. I will just press continue one more time. Yeah, that probably was a small error, nothing serious. So I'm good now. All right, so let me just set up the things like this. So I'm gonna choose like here. Okay, and place. Yeah, nice. So let me just scroll down and check one more time. So I have a few here and one on the top. Okay, so let me just repeat the whole process, just what I see on the picture. Let me be sure one was last on the top. Yeah, so I'm gonna press. Yeah, that's nice. That's worked perfectly, guys. I want to try one more round just to make sure it's consistent. So okay, and here we go, guys. The picture loads. Okay, all I have to do is just repeat what I see on the screen, like so to here. Okay, the rest are placed like that. So let me check one more time the last one on the top. Yeah, to be sure everything is nice. Yeah. Look at that, guys. It works again, guys. Everything is responded really well, guys. This is what I like it here, guys. Yeah, and now comes the most important moment, guys. I want to send everything back because this is exactly what I'm testing the tool today. So I need to see if it actually delivers. I'm gonna grab my information like that. Yeah, back to the game. And first of all, I just need to paste the info, what I need, like that, and press confirm. Alright. So I guess I just need to reload the page, guys. Okay, and as you can see, the whole process is actually quite simple. I don't think anyone should have any problems with this. So it's just fast and straightforward, guys. And I need just to wait to update and see how it reacts, and I'll keep refreshing the page. I'm gonna wait a bit more. I guess everything will connect to this. Yeah, look at that, guys. Everything already there, guys. I just got a few grand in just few minutes. Is it I could have seen this somewhere, and guys, look at this. That's already updated, guys. That was super fast. Yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video and this format, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and leave your comments below, guys, and I'll catch you in another one.